morning, everyone. Allison here from Mommy's Life. I am just overexcited because I did something different with Hobium this time. And I wanted to show you. I was going to wait until I did my next shopping haul, but I couldn't wait. I just couldn't wait. So I'm going to open this box because it is still sealed. I got this yesterday and I waited and I waited, but you know what? It's like 4:45 in the morning and I couldn't sleep, and I thought, oh, how about I just show what I got? Because I just couldn't wait, so I'm excited. I just wanted to show you like a different side to Hobium. Everyone knows about the wonderful yarn, so I thought it'd be kind of neat to show another side of Hobium. Okay. Wow, this is definitely taped up really good, isn't it? My goodness. Tape and more tape. There we go. Maybe. Wow. I need this kind of tape. Holy cow. Oops, bump ya. I'm sorry. Wow, this tape is good tape. Wow. Well, it doesn't have my... I was trying to cover that, but I guess it doesn't have my address on it, so no big deal. Oh my gosh. This does not want to open. Okay, it's going to take a half hour just to open this for you guys, huh? My gosh. I need one of those X-Acto knives. I know I got one for my clay. I guess I could have pulled that out, huh? There we go. Now, oh my goodness, bumped again. Okay, I'm gonna have to. Oh, there we go. My goodness. Woo, this is a workout. Okay, now I should be able to get this. Excuse me. Alright, so, you guys ready? You ready? I am so excited because, like I said, it is something different. This was a really small And did you notice I got a box this time? I have never received a box. Ever. I have never, ever, ever received a box from Hobium. It's always been, bags. So, let me put this off to the side. Now, I did get... Well, I'm not going to tell you. I'm just going to show you. Because I am super excited. Oh, it's sealed. Okay. Okie dokie, come on. Alrighty, here we go. So, the first thing I got was the Lauren paper. I have never used this before, so I'm curious to see how that works out. This is 200 meters or 218.7 yards. And that's it. It's actual paper from what I understand. Oh, it is. Wow. So I got 2 in the cream. Okay. And then I got 1, I think 1, nope, 2, 2 in the green. So I'm going to have to figure out what to make with this paper. So it's just the same as 200 meters, 218.7 yards. So, okay, you guys ready? Here we go. I am excited. So, of course, you get your discount and some stickers. And this time I got, what are those called? To make your little pom-poms. And, of course, your little homemade tag that you can sew onto your projects. I've never received these before. Like, I'll watch people open up their Hobium, and they always get things like this. I have never, this is the first time I've got one. That's kind of neat. Okay. Look at this. Anyone? Can you guess? Yep. It is for Tunisian. It's a 5mm or 30 centimeters. I'm trying to see how to open it. I don't want to, because I want to pull the hook out and show you. Oh, maybe right there. So we'll take that off. Maybe. Oh, there we go. Look at that. It's even got the 5 on the heart. And then here, oops, let me turn it around. I know it was facing the right way. So, Alli, made in, I don't know, can you guys pronounce that? Germany. I don't know the rest. So, anyhow, my goodness. I got that one. My gosh. And then I got this one. Tell me that one's not cool looking. So let me pull that one out. This one is, what size is this one? This one's a 7mm. Come on. Oh, I don't want to come out. There we go. Look at that. Look at the little gold sparkles. And then here is the top. This one don't have, oh it does, right there. You can't see it. Maybe if I put my hand there. I don't know if you can see the 7 right there. Maybe if I put it against something dark. Can you see the 7 now? No. So, I got 2 Tunisian crochet hooks. Love, love, love. And then I wanted to try something. You guys have ever heard of canooking? Or is it nooking? I think it's canooking. I don't know. So I got this one. So is it canooking or nooking? I don't know. But this one I believe is, I think this was a 4mm or 5mm. I'm not sure. These ones don't say. I'm gonna have to get online and look. But let's open it up. You know, I looked it up and there's really not much about it. So you've got your crochet hook here. Okay. And then you have what they would consider like your knitting side, but it's a needle. And this is where you'd put your cord. Okay. So nooking is between crocheting and knitting. It's almost similar to Tunisian in a way. So I'm really excited to do some videos with this to show you and learn with you. I think this will be a lot of fun. So I got it in red. I believe this, it doesn't have the size. I'm gonna have to get online and look and see what size that is, because I don't remember. This one, okay, this one does say, this one's a 6mm, and this one is from Knit Pro. So this is from Alli. Let's see, maybe it says it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to look this one up because it doesn't say, unless it's the 4mm. I bet you this is a 4mm because that's what it looks like. It's a 4mm. So the other one I got was from Knit Pro. I wanted to try a different brand. So there we go. And then there's the hook. Now I didn't buy any cord just because you don't necessarily need cord. You can use like yarn. I don't know if anyone has used the viscose, but it's almost like cord. So I'll probably use that, or the macrame. If you guys remember my macrame, that would work too. So look at that. Tell me this is not exciting. So, I didn't buy any yarn. Well, I don't know if you'd consider the paper yarn. I guess you kind of could. But I wanted to show you that, you know, excuse me, Hobium has a whole lot more than just yarn. They have buttons and scissors and oh my gosh, all kinds of things. They have things to make baby items, things to make is it amigurumis? Amigurumis? They have the purses. They have sandal, you know, the sandal bottoms, you know, to make like for those, you know how some people like to crochet onto the soles of sandals. They have those. They have hold on, let me bring it up a little. I mean, it's just, I love Hobium. They're an amazing, absolutely amazing place. So you pom-poms, they have pom-poms. They have tons of different types of accessories like needle hoops. They have you know, the like the metal purse clasps, you know, the top that when you open up you can, they snap. They have things like that, so if you make a purse you can crochet that onto your purse. They have weaver looms, you know, where you can weave your yarn. They even have it felt needle mats. They have things like that. They have teething rings. They've got, oh my gosh, like tons and tons of things. And then, you know, you got your Tunisian hooks, your crochet hooks, your knitting needles. You got your knitting needles. They've got of course your amigurumi stuff, your baby yarns, your buttons, your just, oh my gosh. They even have gift sets, like, you know, where you can buy a gift set of yarn, or they even have crochet and knitting kits that you can go through. And then, of course, they have your clearance section, you know, that has more than just yarns. They actually, in the clearance, they do like little kits that you can get. I think one is of animals, you know, things like that. They have thread that you can get. I mean, I'm telling you, you gotta go check out Hobium. You will absolutely love them. And the prices are absolutely amazing. I mean, I don't know how to tell you. Needles, you can get regular needles, you know, for your sewing. You can get needles that your kids can work with, you know, so that they can learn to knit or to crochet. Telling you, go check Hobium out. Anyhow, so let's look forward to seeing what we can make out of this. I think this is exciting. And then definitely the knitting. Is it knitting or nooking? I'm going to say it's knitting because nooking actually doesn't sound very well. And then some Tunisian. So I hope you all have a wonderful Tuesday morning. This turned out a little longer than I wanted. So sorry about that. And good luck to everyone with the giveaway, because there is that video. I've got the video of the giveaway put up, and I've noticed that since I didn't put giveaway on there, not too many people's going to that video. So you guys, you need to go look at the videos and get involved in that, because it ends on June 30th, and then July 1st I'll announce the winner. So come on, get in there. So like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on my videos, and I will see you next time. Until then, bye-bye.